Welcome to all. I am J. Yogeshwari Fasbi Kame in KCS Kosinara College of Arts and Science. My topic is staffing. Content, meaning, definition, features, advantage, function of staffing, principle of staffing. Meaning of staffing. Staffing refers to the continuous process of finding, selecting, and developing a working relationship with current or future employees. The main goals of staffing is to fill the various roles within the company with suitable candidates. Definition of staffing. Staffing to recruitment, selection, development and compensation of subordinate. The recruitment of the business in by the simple end function are known as staffing. Features of staffing. Staffing is not a temporary exercise. Staffing is a complex process. Staffing is a logical exercise. Staffing deals with present and future requirements. Staffing involves people's responsibility of staffing. Staffing is a managerial function. Advantages of staffing. Fills the roles by the obtaining competent personnel, placing right person at the right job, growth of enterprise, utilization of human resources, helps in competing, improve job satisfaction and of the employees. Function of staffing. Staffing is an important function of management. The base of staffing is management of manpower or human resources. Staffing helps in getting right types of person on right jobs. Staffing is a pervasive function. It is performed by the manager at all level of management. The first and most functions of staffing is to the obtain qualified personnel of different jobs position in the organization. Principle of staffing. Principle of staff objective. Principle of staffing responsibility. Principle of job definition. Principle of human resources planning. Principle of recruiting personnel. Principle of training objective. Principle of management. Principle of staff objectives. This principle involves the matching organization equipments with the individual skills. The object is to provide the organization with competent employees at the various levels and to achieve long-term success of enterprise. Next, principle of staffing responsibility. Every manager at variable level into perform planning and execution of staffing function. They can on the service of personnel department or to carry out staffing responsibility. Principle of job definition. It tells the manager the job to be performed and the result to be achieved. This gives them a good idea what is to be achieved. So this defines two role of manager in organization. Next, principle of training objectives. The manager is to state the training needs for different kinds of personnel. This will the management to the effectiveness of training effects. Once the training aimed or stated, then it becomes easy for the management to achieve them. Thank you.